During the drawing process, we sometimes forget to create blocks. Or when we import DWG and DXF files from other software, the blocks may get exploded. This increases workload when we need to modify designs or count objects. ZWCAD 2026 added the Smart Match function that can automatically identify same objects and quickly create them as blocks. It can select objects that are same in shape but might vary in scale, angle and attributes. This enables batch modification and reduces repetitive tasks. When you need to change the design, the Smart Match function can also replace same objects in bulk. It reduces manual replacement and further improves efficiency. After completing your design, if you need to count equipment or materials, the counting function in Smart Match can do it quickly. Simply specify the objects, and the result will be generated instantly no matter how many there are. It can export counting tables directly, eliminating tedious manual work. Plus, ZWCAD 2026 now includes the similar search function that can find similar blocks in local drawings to reduce manual comparison and search. For example, when you need to replace chairs, you can specify the object and range, and the software can automatically search your local files for similar blocks. You can even draw a simple shape to find similar complex blocks. For example, you can draw a rectangle as a door, and the software will automatically search similar complex blocks based on it. This saves you from redrawing. AI functions like Smart Match and Similar Search can empower various industries and make design faster. Download ZWCAD 2026 now and have a try.